finna come and get y'all waist trainer and get y'all body snatched to the gods, honey. Cause Body Maxx did not come to play. What's up, Diva? So today I will be unboxing my Body Maxx package. If you want to see what they sent over, stay tuned for the video. Okay, ladies, so before we jump into it, by the time you guys see this video, it's gonna already be Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to all my beauties and all you guys family. I hope you guys are having fun, and I also hope you guys are keeping safe. You get your package, it do come in a box like this. This is pretty much how it comes shipping. The shipping label is on the back, and it comes very secure. You know, it was taped up really good on both sides and the front. So when you open your package, this is how everything looks. You have a thank you card up top as well as some tissue paper. So the card says, "Much thanks from Body Maxx." And it says, "Hey babe, behind every successful woman is a tribe of other successful women who have her back. XOXOXO. Body Maxx family." So that's how the card looks, y'all. So in the box, we have one item. We have two items. And last but not least, we have the third item. So you ladies should know me. I give you guys the rundown on everything. So I'm going to first start off with the fat trim cream. And it is in a 6-ounce jar. It is a 1-month supply. But on their website, if you buy 2, you do get 1 free. So that is a deal. So pretty much with the fat trim cream, you apply it to your stomach areas. So your stomach, I keep saying stomach instead of stubborn. It's like a tongue twister. So pretty much with the cream, you would use it in your stubborn areas. So my stubborn area would be like my midsection, like my stomach. So yes, this is gonna come in handy. So this cream is infused with natural ingredients. Some of the natural ingredients is aloe vera as well as coconut oil. So ladies, not only does this cream reduces inches of those fatty problem areas, it also helps repair dull, saggy, and overstretched skin. So the way you apply this cream is you apply it to your midsection or your desired area once or as often as possible. So this cream is activated by movement, so you guys can wear this cream and you can just go on about your daily routine. You can wear this cream while you're out walking, while you're out going food shopping, or while you're just in the house, you know, cleaning. And to see faster results in the area that you're applying it to, is the best to use it with the waist slimming belt, or if you guys have the thigh and arm slimmers, and it's best to use it in conjunction with those 3 items. So I'm pretty much gonna open it and let you guys know how it smells. And guys, I don't know, you guys probably can't see that. You guys can get your free Body Maxx products if you take a picture and you tag them on Instagram. So when you guys get your product, that little, you know, indication is right there. So I do like that it have a cover on it. Sometimes most companies just have the little plastic and it don't have anything covering it, so that's a plus for me. God damn, this package is good. Okay, it don't have no smell at all, like literally no smell. I thought maybe it would have like a smell, but it don't. And it looks kind of like a grease. Yeah. It's not oily. And it actually absorbs into the skin very well. I don't feel like no residue or anything on my hand. It don't feel sticky, so that's a plus. So I can't wait to try this little bad boy out. Now on to the next 2 products. This right here looks like they slim it out. It comes in a package like this. And yes, this is a slimming belt. This is how it looks. And it is a Velcro strap. Right there. And it's pretty long. Pretty long. I don't know what type of material this is. It don't have a smell. You guys know I always smell stuff to see if it got a smell and stuff like that. So this is Body Maxx Waist Slimming Trimming Belt. I know that was a handful, but that's the name of it. This runs from a small to a 4XL. That is very good because most companies be going up to what, a 2X. Like, come on, y'all gotta cater to my big girls out here. So I like the fact that it goes to a 4XL. So this belt is designed to take inches off your waist fast. So it do claims, now I said claims because I'm gonna try it out for you guys, but it do claims that it's covered the whole entire midsection. Let's see if that's really the case, because I remember I bought a workout belt and it didn't cover my whole entire midsection. So I'm gonna put this thing to the test on camera and we're gonna see how this goes. It also states on their website to wear this trimming belt for 30 to 45 minutes, as well as add a very thin layer of this before adding your belt. What I like about the way this is constructed is if you're applying the fat trimming cream, the way this is designed inside is pretty much like you could just wipe this off, versus this side it looked more like a fabric type of feel. But this side you can just, you know, if it gets sweaty, you can like wipe it off. So that's what I like so far about it. So I'm just gonna change my shirt real quick and I'm gonna try on this belt for you guys and we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, y'all, hopefully you guys can see this. I had to put on an undershirt because I do not want you to flag at me. This is the belt and we're gonna put this bad girl on. Now they do have on their website how you guys can do, how you guys can measure for your, hold on, this is really covering. Hold up now, hold on, let me make sure the sign is in the middle. Y'all, I had to stop, I was in the middle of talking. Hold on, let me make sure this is right. I want the belt piece in the middle. Y'all, do I got this right? This really covers. This is really covering. Y'all see that? I hope y'all can see that. Let me try to make this tight. Y'all, this covers. Oh my God. It is covering. Covering. Cover my the bottom pouch. It covers. You know, I'm not a big girl, but I ain't skinny neither, okay? It feels very comfortable. The last package I'm gonna get into, and the product I've been dying to wear, is the waist trainer. Now guys, I have waist trainers before. It did not cover my entire midsection, so I really hope this covers. This is how the waist trainer looks. It do have Body Maxx right there. This is the back. You have the Velcro straps, as well as a zipper. And the zipper, you do have like these bra-like straps. You have 3 of those. Now y'all, what I like about this waist trainer so far is this baby goes from a extra small to a 9XL. If this company don't come on through, Y'all better come on through. Where my big girls at? Where is all my big girls that's trying to lose some inches?
Calling all the big girls, calling all the big girls, calling all the big
girls. Y'all better come and get y'all waist trainer and get y'all body snatched to the gods, honey. Because Body Maxx did not come to play. So on their website, it do says this is a full coverage waist trainer. I'm finna put this to the test. Because like I said, I need everything to be covered. From where my boobs are to my little belly pouch. I need everything to be covered so I know that everything is sucked in. Okay? I need to make sure I'm covered. Now, if you ladies are not sure about the sizing, they do have a size guide as well as a video to show you guys how to size yourself. I'm about to say massage. To show you guys how to size yourself. So it's very crucial for you guys to get a tape measure. You guys can go to Dollar Tree, the 99-cent store, the corner store, probably anywhere they sell tape measures, like a fabric store. Make sure you guys have a tape measure because you guys are going to need it to know your size. They did send me a size 3XL. I believe when I did measure my waist, I think it was either between a 34 and a 36. So I'm gonna put this bad boy to test, see if I really do get full coverage, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I think. Tighten this. Put it in the last strap. Okay. Ooh, child. I ain't forget to strap this one. I feel like it's gonna suck me in already. Okay. Y'all, I'm sitting here trying to look in the damn viewfinder. That's why I needed help. Y'all. Shut the front door. Can y'all see this? I hope y'all can see this. Just want to make sure they wasn't lying. This is full coverage. Full. We gonna strap that. Full. You know what? Who the director of this company? I need to thank them because they got the memo. Okay? They got the memo when girls was out here screaming like, look, I need a waist trainer that's going to properly cover my waist. Y'all see this? From where my boobs are to down here covers everything. Every freaking thing. Turn to the back. That's how the back looks. Y'all, that's my shirt. That's how the back looks. When I say I am snatched and sucked in, Body Maxx, y'all better come on through. Y'all was not playing. And I love the material of it, but it do feel like if you start to sweat, you could just, like, it feel like water resistant. That's how this material feel. It's not rolling up on me. It's comfortable. It is really comfortable. Let me see how I feel sitting down. It don't hurt while sitting down. Nothing feels like it's digging in me. I like this. All right, let me go take this off. I'll be back. So my initial review on these 3 products, I cannot wait to use these. I cannot wait to see how they feel. I cannot wait to see how it works when, you know, using this 2 combo while working out. I'm excited for my fitness journey to be, you know, going back and working out because I did fall off. What's up, Diva? So I pretty much wanted to show you ladies all the items that Body Maxx do carry on their website. So these are the different items that they do carry. They also have some workout gear. I do like the leggings. I do like the ruche that it gives you in the butt area. So you ladies should definitely check those out. And if you and your man is on a fitness journey, you guys can work out together using Body Maxx products. So shout outs for that. And they do have a section on their website for workout routines. So definitely I will be utilizing that as well. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Super excited to be working out again. And guys, I will come back in a month and let you guys know what I think about all 3 of these products. What I like about Body Maxx so far is that just like Booty Maxx, they got Afterpay. So you ladies that is balling on a budget, y'all trying to get y'all body snatch on a budget, go and do they Afterpay. They Afterpay is pretty much installment plans. So if you don't got the funds up front, honey, do some installment plans and get y'all these items, because we trying to have our body on a snatch. Booty Maxx trying to get our booty on fleek. Body Maxx trying to get our stomach on fleek. Like, come on now. Come on now. These 2 companies, they better come on through. Stop playing with your girl. I can't wait to share you guys my results for Booty Maxx. If you ladies did not check out that video, I will leave it down below in the description box so you guys can go over and check out Body Maxx video. I do have a special announcement in that video, so make sure you guys watch to the end. So make sure you ladies turn on that post notification, so when I upload my next Body Maxx video, you ladies will not miss it. And if you enjoy this video, or if you do like content like this, don't forget to thumbs it up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as turn on all your post notifications, so every time I upload a video, you ladies will not miss it and you will be notified. Like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.